In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up multi-factor authentication in LastPass. Multi-factor authentication, often called MFA, adds a second check beyond your master password to confirm it's really you. It's one of the simplest ways to dramatically increase the security of your vault because even if someone learns your password, they still can't get in without that extra factor. Let's start at the source. Head to the LastPass website and open your vault. You'll know you're in the right place when you can see your saved passwords, notes, and items organized by category. If you use a browser extension, you can also access the Vault view from there, but the Web Vault gives a clear layout that's perfect for configuring security settings. A quick tip: consider bookmarking the Vault page so you can return here quickly whenever you need to review your security. On the left side of the Vault, look for Account Settings. It typically lives in the sidebar and may appear with a gear icon depending on your layout. Click it to open your account level controls. This area is where you manage security preferences, personal details, and other important configurations. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the sections on this page. Knowing what's here makes it easier to keep your vault healthy and up to date over time. Next, select multi-factor options. This is the dedicated hub for all things MFA and LastPass. Here, you'll see the methods that LastPass supports, such as authenticator apps, hardware security keys, and sometimes SMS-based codes. Each option usually includes a brief description so you can understand how it works before proceeding. This page is also where you return later to review your setup, adjust preferences, or manage devices if you ever change phones or security keys. A few practical tips as you review this area. Authenticator apps are generally the most secure and convenient for day-to-day use. If you're considering SMS, make sure your mobile number stays current with your provider, and be mindful that text messages can be less secure in some regions. If you use a hardware key, keep a spare stored safely in case the primary one is lost. And wherever you store recovery information, choose a method that's both secure and accessible to you, but not to anyone else. That's the complete path. Open your vault, go to Account Settings on the left, and then choose Multi-Factor Options. From there, the on-screen guidance will walk you through the details. Take your time, review the descriptions, and choose the approach that fits how you work. Strengthening your sign-in now will pay off every time you access your vault.